What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. About to open the bags on my kit that I'm using for my group build, the Winter Beater 23 GB. Go ahead and join if you haven't yet. Got here is this AMT Sonoma, and I've built this before, or a version of it, and I'm not sure how, but when I was going through this kit, getting ready to open the bags, I see that I've got some extras, leftovers from one of them that I don't know, I'm not sure how or why. I don't remember if I thought I did, so whatever. I am actually going to use this out of it instead of the street version that it comes with. And then I've got some other various garbage stuff I'm put in the bed, and I've chosen some reels that I'm gonna use. Other than that, I haven't opened it or anything. I did a little bit of tidying on the workspace today. I cleaned out the spray booth and kind of re-upped all my, the disposables and stuff you go through, toothpicks and Q-tips and etc., and cleaned off the desk and got everything all ready to get into this build. And there's just so much room for activities now. It's way over there. It's far. Now it is near. Now it is far. So we're about to, like I said, crack into the bags of these and actually get started on the build. I'm not gonna bore you with doing all that right now. I'm just gonna open this one to see the cab a little better. My basic idea is just it's a truck that you got for cheap, second hand, obviously, maybe more like 8th, 12th hand. And I'm gonna do some little stuff to it here and there. Nothing fancy. We'll keep it stock. We'll put the stock motor in it, and other than that, I'll change out the front grille, keep it a little bit more stock looking, so it's more viable of an old secondhand S10. And then, like I said, some other garbage that I'm going to put in the bed. I'm going to keep it simple, nothing special. This group build is the whole idea is, maybe even a slump buster. Just take a kit that you have, make it a used car or something that you would thrash on. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the camera while I chop through all of these, and we'll post this, and next we'll start to sand and paint and get her all fancy, get it clean, so that I can beat it up. So let's go. Zoom zoom.
Few inches later. tomorrow for sure.
Alright, well, here we go. Got color on it, got some distressing going on, some antiquing, some patina, got everything laid out to do the little final colors, little, the finished details. I usually like to separate it into what colors are going to get assigned to what, like this will get blacks and that'll get silver and whatever. Then we're going to work on some extras for the stuff to go on the bed and start putting it all together. So there you go. That's my first update for progress on my winter beater for the winter beater 23 group build. Let's see what you got.